Alright, so just got my new Porsche parts from Pelican for this guy here. Rebuilding the passenger side stub axle. What happens here? We have, alright, all sorts of cool stuff. The packing list. Ta-da. We have Swepco, Molly grease for the bearing. And what else? Bag is sealed. We have the brake mount seal. Yay. Extra brake rotor mounting screw. Replacement differential drain plug. Nothing to do with the bearings, but needed one, and they were back in stock. Alright, cool. Then, my new bearings, yay. See if we can get one out here. Don't recall if this is the inboard bearing. Alright, brand new. There's the old one. Here's the new one. Bad. Good. And let's see. It should be the outboard. Indeed, it is the outboard. So cool. Well, I've already kind of checked the play, and they feel kind of similar to the ones I took out. However, when I slide this over the shaft, the inner race in this one is snug, and the old one is rather wobbly. So, that's good. And what else do we have here? We have, finally, the seals. And the cardboard noises there. That's your ASMR type. There we go. 2 of those, inboard and outboard. So, that's it. So, when I get time, I will be installing those. Hopefully, at the beginning of next week. I don't have any time this weekend. That's it. Stay tuned.